Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, what a busy pattern across the U.S. from blizzard conditions to the north, winter storm warnings in the North Rockies, frost advisories not too far away, and then severe weather threat across the nation's midsection through the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley into the lower Mississippi River Valley. Look at all these severe thunderstorm warnings going into Mississippi and Alabama. We had our share of watches and a few warnings this evening, but the storms have been fortunately weakening, but a lot of cloud to ground lightning with these storms, a lot of heavy duty rainfall across the area and picking up an inch or two of rain, torrential downpours, and we can see some of the hot spots as well with that lightning data. Here's a look at things in 3D and you kind of get an idea how tall these thunderstorm tops are. And they're getting a little over 40,000 feet, which is pretty respectable in April, and also indicates some very heavy rainfall. When you see these cores, you see that pink right there, there may be some hail right there, and also very, very heavy rainfall, and that's moving out into the basin. We got Power Doppler 3 showing up right here, and again we can see some of those heavier storms working their way to the south. And just do a little storm tracking here. This is always interesting to check out, put things in a little bit of a 3D motion, and we're showing at least some rotation in this cell here in Acadia Parish. Elsewhere, some hail off to the east as we get over toward Baton Rouge, but overall not looking too terribly bad with respect to those storms as we go back in here and show things in 2D. But look how intense the storms are right down here by Avery Island. Very intense. We've had a little bit of a cell merger over the last few hours, and that's allowing for that intense rainfall. And also, even if we look at the velocity here, right here, we'll point to that if we can and get that on there. You see this line right here? This line right here, this is where your gusty winds are, right through this area. And for some reason, the computer likes to do something funky over here. But nonetheless, very intense gusty winds in the 50-mile-per-hour range, just below severe levels. But we'll still have to keep an eye on some of these storms across the area. So here we go, some very heavy downpours, Acadia Parish, Crowley. It's about to end. Good news there. As we go farther to the east, once you get north of Kempton up towards Sunset, Grand Coteau, the rains are over with. Maybe a few sprinkles later on. Heavier rains as we get towards St. Martinville, just the easternmost portion of upper St. Martin Parish before you get out into the swamp. Some heavy downpours there. And then as we indicated down to the south, very intense weather right around the Avery Island area. A lot of heavy downpours over toward Lydia as well. And this is going to be heading toward central Iberia Parish. But you can also see the line is moving southward. And essentially what happened is the lower level winds started running out ahead of the storm dynamics. So the severe threat diminishing as these storms reach the I-10 corridor and continue to move to the south and east. Few spotty showers as we get farther south and east, but the rest of this action will be working its way southward with time. No other watches or warnings. We do have a tornado watch in effect east of Acadiana as we get to the Baton Rouge and Feliciana parishes, but these storms will be pushing on through there quickly as well. We get to about midnight. We see the storms getting down to the coast, and thereafter a few lingering showers before daybreak, and then tomorrow just a lovely day. Lots of sunshine, temperatures in the upper 70s after a cool start. Going into Friday, Thursday night, Friday morning, clouds coming back in, and we may see a few showers going into Friday as the same front that's moving on through now will come back a little bit as a warm front. Rainfall beyond 10 o'clock tonight. This includes 10 o'clock on, so we've already got about 3/4 of an inch of rain since then, so maybe about an inch in Lafayette. This is the additional rainfall that we're going to see. Good soakings for many spots, some welcome rain there. So your True View forecast tonight, plenty of clouds, stormy weather out there, still storming at about midnight, maybe ending a little bit sooner for Lafayette, but lots of cloud to ground lightning in these storms as well. 56 the low, and we'll begin to clear out as we get toward tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow, a beautiful day, back to beautiful spring weather, comfortable humidity, a nice breeze from the northeast, and temperatures topping out near 80 degrees. Can't ask for much better there. As we move forward, there's the slight rain chance for Friday. That 10% tomorrow is just for a lingering shower, maybe down in St. Mary Parish at daybreak, but it's going to be a dry day tomorrow. Few showers possible this this weekend, but we don't see anything overt that's going to spoil our Saturday nor Easter Sunday. Next week, a front on the way Monday, much nicer as we go through midweek, and it could be a stormy weekend that follows 10 days down the road, but we'll take care of that in the days to come. That's it for weather for right now. We'll be right back right after this.